Learn English fast.
Farm animal words.
Cow. Milk. Cheese. Yogurt. Cows produce milk that people use to make cheese and yogurt.
Sheep. Shepherd. Wool. Barn. The shepherd guided the sheep back to the barn.
Chicken. Feather. Coop. Egg. Hen. The chicken laid her eggs in the coop.
Pig. Snout. Piglet. Pigsty. Mud. The pig rolled happily in the mud.
Horse. Stable. Pony. Saddle. The horse stood in the stable. Donkey. Graze. Hoofs. Tail. The donkey grazed on grass.
Cat. Paw. Whiskers. Nap. The cat's whiskers twitched during her nap.
Dog. Fur. Kennel. Puppy. Fetch. The dog ran to fetch the ball.